Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 3. Uh, now we will discuss the component of health related fitness. Okay, in this there are multiple activities to develop health related fitness, right? So for health related fitness you have to do the multiple tasks, and you can do the multiple activities. Okay, so we will discuss some components of health related fitness. There are four types of health related fitness. First is aerobic activities, then anaerobic activities, then third one is participation in sports and games, fourth is yoga and recreational activities. Okay, now first is aerobic activities. Okay, in aerobic activities, what includes in aerobic activities generally includes exercise. Okay, because when you are doing the exercise, in your body it requires supply of oxygen for their continuation. If you are doing the exercise, then you need oxygen, okay, for the continuation of exercise. So the aerobic systems use oxygen to break down carbohydrates and fats, right? So aerobic training consists of low intensity and long duration activities that involves the entire body in movement and are rhythmic. Okay, so first fitness activity is jogging, right? Jogging is very mild form of running, right? In the morning you have seen the everyone means those who want to do the exercise, they are doing the jogging in the morning or in the evening. It basically means running at a one's own pace, right? So jogging is slightly more strenuous than the walking, right? It is a simple aerobic activity which is very effective in maintaining sound health and developing fitness, right? So at least you should do the jogging at least for 2 kilometers to 10-kilometer distance, at least in 10 to 50 minutes, right? So the benefits of jogging, what are the benefits of jogging? The entire body get exercise through jogging. Okay, second, it reduce obesity, which is the main cause of many disorders, right? Then the third, to improve the cardiovascular system and help in maintaining proper cholesterol level of the blood, right? And the fourth one is the respiratory function of body improve by doing the jogging. All these are the benefit. And the last is it help to prevent premature aging, right? If you are doing the jogging, then it protect you from the many diseases, right? Now we come to the next point, that is the cycling. Simple riding on a bicycle, it is very efficient way to develop fitness, right? So we can also use fixed bicycle in a multi gym or the road cyclings for the training. What are the why it is useful? The first is cycling improves the muscular tone of the body muscles, okay, especially legs, thighs, etc. And it improves the efficiency of respiratory system, right? Cycling help to prevent diabetes as kidney and pancreas remain healthy. So cycling, as you know, is very important for the fitness, for the cardiovascular system, right? Then the calisthenic refer to the practice of exercise of muscles for purpose of gaining health, strength in the form and the movement. For example, how we can explain this? Like the kind of light gymnastics, okay, like free hand exercise such as push ups, pull up, chin up, etc., right? So it improve the regular development of strength, flexibility and other coordinative abilities which we have discussed in the previous topic, right? So for the beginner and for the children, it is great importance in developing physical fitness. Now the last one is rhythmic exercise. Rhythmic exercise means by using music, band, you are doing the exercise. These exercise involves rhythmic movement of whole body. Nowadays it is very famous, and it by in on the songs, on the musics, um, they they are doing the exercise, right? And in the schools you have seen in the PT drills, in rhythmic activities you are doing marching, free hand exercise. Clear? What are the benefits? Benefits are same: cardiovascular system is developed, strength of muscle is developed, flexibility is developed, muscular endurance is developed. Okay, so this is the very interesting also, or you can say on the music your whole body can be your whole body can be energetic while doing this type of exercise. Now we come to the anaerobic activities. What do you mean by the anaerobic activities? Means exercise without air or without oxygen. How? It is a short but high intensity activity, okay, where the demand for exercise exceed the oxygen supply. Anaerobic exercise on energy sources that are stored in muscles, and unlike aerobic exercise they are not dependent on oxygen breathing the air. For example, heavy weightlifting, jumping, low material high intensity exercise for developing explosive growth, right? So there are some benefit also anaerobic exercise activities. What are the benefit? Development of stronger muscles, yes, while doing the uh, weightlifting, low material high intensity exercise, jumping, it improve the muscles become strong. Improve maximum oxygen, okay. Then the greater capacity to withstand the build up waste substance such as a lactic acid, and increase ability to remove them from the body, right? So endurance and ability to fight fatigue will improve. So overall, what is the conclusion from these two? This benefit of anaerobic activities: anaerobic exercise burn calories than aerobic exercise, okay. So it is very beneficial for the person, those who are doing this type of exercise, right? Now some cautions also we have to take while during anaerobic activities. What are the cautions? If you are new to exercise, if you are doing first time, do not immediately start with the high intensity activity, okay. Slowly you have to increase your time and increase your activity. Anaerobic exercise is not recommended for the pregnant women and unfit person, okay. Those who are not medically fit, they are uh, they are not doing this exercise. Then do 5 to 10 minutes warm up before starting any anaerobic exercise, okay. Why before starting, or we can say before starting any new exercise, first warm up should be there. 5 to 10 minutes warm up exercise should be there, so that you can easily start the new activity, right? Now there is a difference between anaerobic and aerobic exercise. Anaerobic, it is used by athlete in non endurance sports to build power, by bodybuilder to build muscles mass, okay. Muscles trained under anaerobic condition develop differently, as they are for short duration with high intensity exercise, which may be up to the 2 minutes, right? And then aerobic, in aerobic exercise includes what? Low or high? Low intensity activity, okay, perform for longer period for time. Which type of activity? Aerobic, in aerobic, walking, running, swimming, cycling, okay. These are aerobic exercises, right? So now we come to the next point: participation in sports and game. Participation in sports and game is the best way to develop fitness as games and sports. because it gives you the mental peace as well as your body become fit while during by participation in sports and games. Participation in sports and games provide you many opportunity for competitions such as natural tendency among human being. Okay, in some activity we require more endurance, whereas in some activities speed, strength, flexibility. Okay, so as we divided into two types of games like indoor games and outdoor games, all of you are familiar with this. Indoor games, what are they? Like table tennis, badminton. Okay, and outdoor games, many outdoor games are there, like which help in growth and development of children. Okay, so like outdoor games are cricket, hockey, basketball, volleyball, all are the outdoor games. So uh, whether it is indoor or outdoor games, it provide you opportunity which help in removing many tension associated with today's modern living. So you should play the games which is first thing is in which you are having interest. Okay, maybe whether it is indoor or outdoors, right? So participation is you have to take part in games so that you will be healthy and disease free, right? Now the last one is yoga and recreational activities. What is yoga? Nowadays that it is very popular, or before that also yoga is a from the ancient time we are doing this. Okay, for peaceful and healthy life, because nowadays our life is very hectic. So we are going for the yoga classes. Okay, so that we are giving the time to become healthy and tension free, right? So yoga for peaceful and healthy life. Yoga exercises are very useful, right? It is useful in two ways. First is physically, you become physically fit and mentally fit, right? Nowadays yoga has been considered as a perfect means of achieving physical fitness. And yoga, described by the philosopher, unites the body with inner self of human being, thus keeping the main man healthy. Okay, yoga includes 8 limbs known as, which is described by the Patanjali. Okay, okay, so some of the limbs which is practiced frequently by the people are asanas and pranayams, right? So next one is the recreational activity. So different people have different leisure time activities. Okay, some peoples have different activities depend up according to their time. In some activity like chess, carom, dance, songs, okay, there is a very few chance of injury because they all are the indoor games. Okay, so recreation is also considered as part of life. Recreation means to create an atmosphere of joy and fun. What is the meaning? In which you feel more fun and you become relaxed. So that is called a recreation activity, which help them to you keep individually happy. Okay, and it will create the atmosphere to improve fitness of an individual when you are doing this activity. So your atmosphere should be good and you feel happy, right? So recreational activities help us to recreate and develop the positive attitude towards life. Thank you, students.